Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, the Makisode YouTube channel. Today we want to walk us through how we made this very beautiful ankle length skirt. We made this skirt for an extra large female who loves, chocolate brown. So here goes. We used two distinct stitches for this skirt. We used the single crochet stitch and the double crochet stitch. Now here is where we started. We worked the body. The body starts from this point and goes all the way to about here. This is where the body starts from. So you just create the number of chains from the person's hip, underneath the navel. Yeah, just that length from the hip, that's underneath the navel, all the way to the ankle, or where the person would like for the skirt to stop, and then we chain. We actually started with a total number of about 150 something chains. I don't remember exactly right now. And what we did was that we worked the rib crochet pattern, which is working single crochet stitches into the back loops only of each row. So you work from here all the way down there, you chain one and turn back again. So now this person mentioned a preference for a cable like stitch, and so we infused this in here. Now the reason why we don't have a lot of this everywhere around the skirt is we're trying to keep it as decent as possible, not to have too many holes in there or showing on these and all of that. So we kept it as minimalistic as possible. So we just worked 2 rows of the cable and then continued onwards for as wide as the person's hips can go. Now this skirt is a stretchy one, all right? So while you want to keep it not too bogus for the parts that are not the hips, you also want to keep it as neat, and as fine, as snug as possible around the hip area, which is this area right here. Yeah, so after we worked the body, we now worked the base. For the base, we did the usual stitch which we do. If you check our other videos where we made our sweater, you would find that technique there. We actually posted a video of that separately on our YouTube channel, so you can check it out. What we did was we slip stitch from any point here, and then chain up 10 stitches, and then we single crocheted in the back loops only, came back up here, slip stitch into 2 spaces, and then back up that way all around. You notice that around where you have the cables, we still worked that. This is to keep it close together around the ankle area. You have to give it a very good and snug look. So that's what we did for the base. Now for the band, we made a wide band because the customer wants a high waist. Yeah, so meaning that the skirt has to extend beyond the navel. All right, so for this part, what we did was that we worked double crochet stitches using the front loop and the back loop only, back loop front loop technique. Yeah, we worked that for about 18 rows, and then on the 19th row, if you take a close look, waiting for this to focus. Yeah, if you take a close look, you see that we infused chain stitches in here in the event that the owner would like to use loops. Sorry, these are loops in the event that the owner would want to put a chain belt, so to speak, and then ended it with a double crochet row right here. So this skirt measures about 45-ish inches. Yeah, 45 inches long, as desired by the owner. This is really long and large. It is stretchy, and then we'll show you a full view of it right after this. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, comment, and click on the subscribe button so that you can have notifications on when we bring beautiful inspiration your way. Thanks again. Bye for now.